Yeah, and what you see right here is that how huge this excavator is. Hi my friends of the RC truck action world. Today is a special day again, and I'm really happy to show you this new model, or not new model, but this new model for you in this video. Thank you very much for your many comments in the last days and thumbs up. So I was forced again to do a new video. So I hope you will enjoy it. It's the Leaper 956 from premacon. So what you see here is, as I said, the Leaper 956 in German, the 956, made from premacon, a German manufacturer. And if you ask me, right at the beginning, if you ask me, this might be one of the best, or maybe even the best RC excavator you can buy in Germany or even in the world. And I will tell you why I think so. First of all, this model is a really heavy model. It weighs something around 22 to 24 kilogram. So you see, it is not a lightweight at all. But when you do serious RC digging, you always should have in your mind that you need a certain weight to be successful when digging in the earth. So this is an advantage of this machine. It is heavy. On the other hand, it is also a disadvantage because you have to travel with it, you have to carry it, and therefore 22 or 24 kilogram is really not a lightweight at all. This machine comes from the manufacturer, right? As you can see it standing on my table. It is overall, or most parts of it are made out of metal. Sorry, I hope you can see me. I hope you can see me. It's not easy because this machine is so big. The rest, the upper parts right here, the hood and the cabin for sure are all made out of special plastic that gives a lot of detail so that it looks like the real machine. Yeah, it comes right this way. It comes from the manufacturer. You have the choice between an R2R or a kit. And there's one different thing when you see the video. The painting is different. You can always say which color you prefer. And this is the standard Leaper yellow and the gray. But what I did is I've put matte paint on it, a matte finish, because I don't like an excavator to be a shining machine. I like it when it looks like the real one. So the color has a matte finish, and this gives it a more real look, if you ask me. And what I also did is, this machine is not that dirty at all. It looks dirty. I tried to give it a used look, and this I've done this with airbrush, and I really like it, but I'm interested in your opinion. So tell me please, would you use such a machine as a shiny one, a brand new one right out of the box? Or would you prefer, as I did it, to look at like a used look, to give it a used look so that it looks maybe more realistic? So put your comments in the box below. I'm really interested in your opinion, because it was a long process for me. I was not sure to do it or not to do it. So I highly appreciate your feedback. So what else can I say? I would like to give you some technical information. As I said, the main parts, the important parts, are all made out of metal. The tracks, not chains, tracks. Look here. This is a single track. It is fully out of metal. I'll come a little bit closer, and I hope that the camera is a clever one and the picture is sharp. You can see this is a single track, fully out of metal, and very robust. And I don't know how many parts you have in there in the excavator, but a lot. I think, yes, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe it's 120 or so. What I like to do is to have a look under the hut with you together. So now I hope that you have a good perspective. This is the hut, and quite easy to take it off or to open it. By the way, I show you this piece. It is made out of a special plastic, also very robust, but not heavy at all. And yeah, what do you think? Oh, sorry. What do you think? It looks pretty good. Nice details, nice decals, and everything very well done. So, under the hood, you can see the ingredients, I'd like to say. First of all, this is very easy. This is the loudspeaker. It is connected to the sound module that is somewhere underneath these cables. Right here is the hydraulic pump. It is a pump from a German manufacturer, a very successful German manufacturer. The name is Martin, and he has specialized on hydraulic pumps for RC models. And the good thing is that they are really strong, very silent, and really small. So they really fit perfectly in the machines, and you get motion. The motion you will see later of the excavator is just fluent and very powerful and strong. So this is really great, and it's good that the company of the manufacturer of the excavator is using these Martin pumps. So what else can you see on the right hand side? Let me get you closer. You hopefully see these servos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 servos, and they are sitting right on the top. I'll get you also closer, in the hope that you see these valves. Underneath are valves, hydraulic valves. It's not easy to show it, but I hope you can see it a little bit. So these steer and control the hydraulic functions. So to move on, next, this is the turn on, turn off switch, for sure, very easy. Here comes the battery. I will later in the video, when we turn on the excavator, I will show you how it works. You just connect it to this cable, and very important, right here underneath this part is the hydraulic tank for the hydraulic oil or the hydraulic fluid. And here is the thing where you can put it in. Just not that easy to get it out. And when this is the part, I get you closer again. So right there is a screw. You can open it, and underneath is the tank for the hydraulic oil. Some of you ask, what kind of hydraulic oil? What are you talking about? And so far, I'm trying to show you the hydraulic oil. This is the typical bottle of hydraulic oil, and it's quite fluent. And this is the stuff you put in the excavator that, like the real machine, that all the functions can work. So now comes the exciting moment that we get the beast starting. So first of all, let's get off the hut. This is the typical battery. You can use LiPo batteries as well, and this is just NIMH battery, a standard battery, 5000 milliampere. So let's put it in there. Turn it on, and put the hut again on the excavator, this way. Second step, turn on the radio. By the way, it is again let's try to show it to you. It is the big Commander SA5000 Expert version from Scaleart. Yeah, it is my favorite radio. You have all the functions you need, and it is really a very good radio control. So, now the excavator is connected with the radio. As I showed in my last videos, you can see that the blue rings are now not flashing anymore, so the beast is connected. And now it's time for getting it started. As you already have seen, the excavator has a sound module in there. The sound module is playing the sound from the real machine. So it is taken from the real Liebherr 956, so this is really cool. But before I show you the sound, I would like you to listen to the machine and just concentrate on the movement and the motion, how realistic it looks. And afterwards I will for sure turn on the sound so that you get the real full impression. So turning on the pump to the minimum Drehzahl in German. And here we go. And what you also can see here right now is, the cool thing is that you can operate it very smoothly. Very smooth. So you can do the movements very exact. And of course, the machine has enough power. Let me demonstrate. This is no problem at all. Lights. And there's one more thing I didn't tell you right now, or until now, but you might have already seen it. And this is the version with the adjustable boom. So you can, as the real one, you can just change the angle of the boom with switching these hydraulic cylinders in one or the other direction. So let me show you how it works. And now you can see that the angle is really very small, and you can, and this is almost a right angle, and you can go very very close to the excavator, very deep. So this is really important for special tasks. And so far just the broom is really cool. And the other thing is you can do it in the other direction. Yeah, and what you see right here now is that how huge this excavator is. It is so long. It is more than 1 meter, more than 100 centimeters. I guess it is. No, I don't guess. I just let me get something to measure how long this beast is. So let's see. This is a typical Zollstock. Does anybody know what this is in English? Again, I don't know. Sorry for this. So it is right here, and it is, how long is it? Let's say this is the end and this is the beginning. It says, what does it say? 125 centimeters long. This is amazing. And what is the height? 24 centimeters, and the width is 28 centimeters. So you get the impression how big this thing is. And there's one thing I didn't show you right now, or until now, another thing. There's a built-in quick coupler, so you can change the shovels very quickly. So I hope you can see it. There's a bolt in there, a built-in bolt. This is controlled by a hydraulic cylinder, and now I'll show you how it works. Getting out, getting in, locked and unlocked. This is not easy now because this is just very slippy right here, the tabletop, and so far I'm just helping a little bit. But you can trust me that this works in real life. So now it's locked again. See? And now the machine is equipped with the shovel. Let me show you another one. This is my second shovel I have, and again, can you see how huge this thing is? My whole fist fits in there, and again the comparison with the water bottle, 1.5 liters, and this is really a beast. So let me try to get this new shovel equipped to the excavator. Let me see if I'm successful. Again, you can see it can be operated very smooth, and this is necessary. If you can't do this, this won't work. See? Isn't this cool? So there's no need to get to the excavator at the construction yard and change it manually. You can do it very easy with the quick coupler. So last thing is, you know already, is the sound. Let's do the sound test. So one last thing to show to all of you is the sound. So let's turn on the sound. It goes this way. No, sorry, the other way around. And there's a cool thing. You might think that, it's very quiet. Just change it. So my friends, I hope you can see me. I hope that you like this video, and I would, as always, highly appreciate when you're giving comments in the box below. Tell me what you want to see, what I missed maybe, what I didn't explain. I will do better next time, and I'm really happy about any thumbs up. This would highly motivate me to go on with these videos. So I hope you like it, and have a good day and enjoy. Bye bye.